it's Reagan with the Doherty Real Estate Group here at the Mission Viejo Farmers Market, and I am here with Pierre.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. So tell us, what is your business and what do you sell here?
Yeah, good morning. I'm Pierre, with owner of Deux Pates here. We sell bread, gluten-free bread and desserts.
Very nice. And tell me why you got into gluten-free bread. I know everyone here is coming back. They love your bread. We've had some great customers here who are repeat customers, and they say your bread is amazing. Tell me why gluten-free?
Yeah, so it all started actually 5 years ago. My wife was diagnosed with celiac, so she couldn't eat gluten anymore. So we became a gluten-free household. And from there, through our different travels and experiences, we thought like the gluten-free scene was really lacking. Store-bought bread was pretty dry and tastes like cardboard or styrofoam, to say the least. And I'm a French guy. I like my tartine, my cheese, my Nutella, and I thought it was very disappointing. So my wife and I decided to launch this business and say, I think we could do a lot better than what's out there. And that's how I got started. So we started about 7-8 months ago now.
Wow, that's amazing. So what is your favorite thing that you guys sell here?
Yeah, so I have a sweet tooth. I like sweet things. We have the Madeleines. We sell them in plain or chocolate. So those are my favorite things to nibble on all day. When it comes to bread, I love the Olive Rosemary bread. And I would say this one is probably the most popular. Of course, our baguettes are perfect. A plain, we can make a sandwich out of it. So those are the product that we sell the most.
Amazing, amazing. And what do you think makes your gluten-free bread so different? I know you're saying stores taste like cardboard. I've experienced that myself. How do you make your bread taste like real bread?
Yeah, so it comes from a few different things. One of the items is we use, I went back to traditional French recipes on how to make bread. We had to adapt it for gluten-free, of course, but we focused on few ingredients, right? So simple ingredients, traditional recipes, and then the process, right? It's all about making sure that the proofing, the baking, and the whole process is right. So that took a while to develop those recipes, and now we're pretty happy with what we got.
That's amazing. Anything else you want people watching this to know? Where else can they find you, or anything else they should know about your business so they come on down and try all of your pastries?
Yeah. So we are here at Mission Viejo Farmers Market every week from on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. We had also few different farmers market out Orange County. Just check out our website. We're on social media, so www.deuxpates.com, and check out our Facebook, on Instagram and Pinterest, and you can find all our great products and see where we're at.
Perfect, and we'll have that all linked down below. You guys can get your bread. I know you were telling me you guys deliver. People can pick it up. They can come to the market, so we make it easy for everyone watching to come and try. And they also have great samples at the market, so you got to come and try for sure.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much, Pierre.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.
All right. Bye-bye.